It's Rob Pagetto for Improve Canada, and this showroom is all about saving space. I can't believe it. Let's meet the proprietor from Design to Fit, Paul. Paul, how you doing? I just walked around, and it's incredible the space you're saving here.
That's right, Rob. We have everything for you to create space in your condo or your home.
I just cruised by one of the closets, and you've got all kinds of features in there that are hidden.
Well, listen, if you're living in a shoebox, you need something to create space, and we have the solutions for you. We can help you with organizing your clothes, your jewelry, your shoes, your laundry room, anywhere you can think of.
I love this feature just behind you here. That's in case I'm doing laundry, need a place to hang my clothes. It pulls out.
Yeah, of course. That can go into the laundry room. That can go into the front entrance in the condo. You need more hanging space. That's perfect for that.
Let's touch on kitchens, for example. I know, again, living downtown Toronto, not a lot of space to be creative with a kitchen.
Well, Design to Fit Interiors started doing a lot of closet work, and then eventually we kind of grew into designing, building, and installing kitchens, custom kitchens. So once we go into the home, we end up doing everything for you.
That's smart. Now, speaking of everything, I know my bed takes up a big space in my condo. You got a couple of solutions in your showroom.
That's so true. We have the perfect solution for, let's say, a den. Or if you have a very small room and you want to create multiple functions, you can have the bed, you can have a TV built in, you can have a wardrobe, desk, anything you can think of, and we can design and build it for you.
Come say hi to Paul because there are some really cool, funky things to save you space.